In this presentation, we are going to look at the functions, components, how the system works, and some things we can do to enhance the respiratory system. In order to stay alive, the body has to breathe oxygen. Our bodies breathe in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. This process is known as respiration. Breathing happens automatically. Every day the body breathes about 20,000 times. All of this breathing occurs because of the respiratory system, which includes the nose, throat, voice box, windpipe, and lungs. Air is breathed in through the oral and nasal cavity. When it enters through the nose, it gets spread out by these shelf-looking things called conchae. The conchae help humidify the air and trap inhaled particles. They also warm the air. The oxygen passes through the larynx and enters the trachea. This little flap-like structure is called the epiglottis, and it has an important function. During breathing, it is pointed upward, allowing airflow into the trachea. However, during swallowing, it falls down to prevent food going into the trachea, directing the food into the esophagus. If food does enter the trachea, the gag reflex is induced to protect the respiratory system. Oxygen continues down the trachea and enters the bronchi. From there, it enters into smaller bronchioles and enters the alveoli, which are surrounded by a network of capillaries. And this is where the magic happens. Oxygen enters the alveoli sac and the gas exchange occurs. Capillaries give up their waste carbon dioxide and give up oxygen. Carbon dioxide is exhaled through the air passage. The oxygen is inhaled through, and the oxygen picked up by the blood returns to the heart. During this breathing process, the diaphragm is busy as well, contracting as we breathe in, which allows the lungs to expand, and relaxing as we exhale. Maintaining a healthy respiratory system. By participating in physical activity, we can assist to minimize respiratory issues like common colds, influenza, bronchitis, pneumonia, which is inflammation of the bronchitis and fluid accumulation. Some ways we can maintain a healthy respiratory system is maintain healthy weight and diet, drink more water, and limit exposure to allergens and dust.